Welcome back, friends. Here in the United States, tax season just ended. And so if you are a fellow accountant, I know that you are exhausted. And so I thought this week we would just do something fun, not work related. And so I put together a top 10 list. And so these are the top 10 reasons to date an accountant. All right, here we go. Number 10, accountants are well dressed. Accountants have to dress professionally for work, so they're used to dressing nice, and that's a positive thing. So you usually don't have to worry about taking your date somewhere and having them look like a slob. Number 9, accountants have solid finances. So accountants know a lot about money. They talk about it every day at work. And so they usually bring that knowledge home and apply it to their personal finances, which is always a good thing for somebody who you're dating. Number 8, accountants are organized. Accountants love organization. So it is nice to date somebody who has a clean and organized home. Number 7, parents love them. And I'm not exactly sure why this is, but parents seem to love accountants. So if you ever bring your date home to meet your parents, you will likely have a good outcome. Number 6, accountants are efficient. If you've ever worked in accounting, something you learn very quickly is how to do things efficiently. And this is a very powerful skill to apply to your personal life. For example, it comes in very handy when you're planning out a vacation. Speaking of vacations, number 5 is accountants love vacations. Now, accountants work very hard, and there might be periods of time, like during busy season, for instance, when you don't see them a whole lot. But when they get the chance to have a vacation, they love vacations, and that can be a lot of fun. Number 4, accountants are interesting. So accountants seem like they're always working on something interesting. They are working in the forefront of what's going on in the business world. So if you're willing to learn about interest rates and financial markets, it's always an interesting conversation. Number 3, accountants are passionate people. Do not be fooled by the serious exterior of the business world, because accountants care very deeply about things. You know, I have met many different accountants, many different accountants, and every single one I have met cares very deeply about things. That's why we all work so hard. So accountants are passionate people. Number 2, everybody likes accountants. So think about this. Who doesn't like accountants? Nobody. Everybody likes them. Accountants are just likable people. And the number 1 reason to date an accountant, you will always have somebody to do your taxes. And that is the best relationship perk I have ever heard of. I hope you had fun with this video. If you agree with any of these items, go ahead and leave it in the comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'm gonna have another great video next week on accounting and corporate finance, so definitely come back and check out next week's video.